Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Listen, I'm so fired up for today's video because we're talking about something really important, something that could change the lives of our veterans and their families. If you're a veteran, or know someone who is, this video is going to blow your mind. Today, we're revealing secret VA benefits worth over $150,000 that most veterans don't even know exist. Seriously, we're talking life-changing amounts of money here, and it's all about getting our veterans what they deserve. This is a time-sensitive opportunity you must take advantage of. We're going to walk you through everything step by step, so you don't have to be a legal expert or spend hours digging through paperwork. Make sure to watch until the end because we're breaking it all down, plain and simple. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive right into the first secret weapon: individual unemployability, or IU for short. Now, this benefit is a game changer for veterans who are struggling to hold down a job because of their service-connected disabilities. Here's the deal. Even if your combined disability rating isn't 100%, you might still qualify for the full 100% disability compensation rate through IU. That's right, you heard me correctly. The VA recognizes that sometimes, even with a lower rating, your disabilities can make it nearly impossible to maintain steady employment. That's where IU comes in. It's designed to bridge that gap and provide you with the financial support you deserve even if your official rating falls short. It's like a secret handshake that unlocks a whole new level of benefits. Now, you might be thinking, Paul, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, the catch is that many veterans simply don't know about IU or assume they don't qualify. But here's the thing, you don't know until you try. The eligibility requirements for IU are specific, but don't let that scare you off. We're talking about potentially life-changing financial support here. To qualify for IU, you generally need to demonstrate that your service-connected disabilities prevent you from maintaining substantially gainful employment. This means work that's both consistent and pays a living wage. The VA looks at a variety of factors when evaluating IU claims, including your age, education, work history, and of course the severity of your disabilities. It's a holistic assessment that takes your individual circumstances into account. Now, I know navigating the VA system can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But trust me on this, the potential rewards of securing IU far outweigh the effort involved. We're talking about potentially thousands of dollars in extra monthly income, and that can make a world of difference in your life. It could mean paying off debt, pursuing your passions, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. So how do you unlock this secret benefit? The first step is to gather your ducks in a row. Make sure you have all your medical records, your service records, and any other documentation that supports your claim. Then, it's time to reach out to a Veteran Service Officer, or VSO. These incredible folks are like guardian angels for veterans, and they can help you navigate the IU application process with expertise and compassion. They'll help you build a rock-solid case, file all the necessary paperwork, and fight tooth and nail to get you the benefits you deserve. Think of them as your personal cheerleaders in your corner, rooting for you every step of the way. Don't underestimate the power of IU. It's a lifeline for countless veterans who thought they were out of options. Take that first step, reach out to a VSO, and see if IU is right for you. You served our country with honor, and now it's time for the country to honor you with the support you deserve. Okay folks, buckle up because we're about to dive into a topic that could put some serious cash back in your pocket: retroactive VA disability payments. That's right, we're talking about getting paid for benefits you should have been receiving all along. Here's the thing. Sometimes, due to errors, oversights, or just the complexities of the VA system, veterans miss out on benefits they're entitled to. But the good news is, it's not too late to claim what you're owed, even if it goes back years. We're talking about the potential for lump sum payments of $50,000, $100,000, or even more. Imagine the possibilities. Paying off debt, buying a house, securing your family's future. These retroactive payments can be truly life-changing. So how does it work? Well, the VA allows you to file what's called an effective date claim. This means that if you can prove your disability existed prior to when you initially filed for benefits, you could be eligible for back payments dating back to that earlier date. Think back to your time in service. Did you experience any injuries, illnesses, or hardships that you may have brushed off at the time? Maybe you thought it wasn't a big deal or didn't want to make a fuss, but what seemed minor then could be impacting your health and well-being today. It's crucial to remember that many service-connected disabilities don't always manifest themselves immediately. Sometimes it takes years, even decades, for the full impact to become apparent. But that doesn't mean you're not entitled to support. The key to unlocking these retroactive payments is documentation. The VA relies on evidence to support your claim, so gather everything you can. Medical records, service records, even personal journals or letters that mention your condition. Don't be afraid to get creative. Every piece of evidence can make a difference in building a strong case. And remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Those amazing veteran service officers I mentioned earlier, they're experts in retroactive claims and can guide you every step of the way. They'll help you gather the necessary documentation, file the claim correctly, and fight tirelessly to get you every penny you deserve. Think of them as your own personal time-traveling advocates, going back in time to right the wrongs of the past. Retroactive payments are a powerful tool for veterans to reclaim what they're owed. Don't let past oversights or a fear of bureaucracy hold you back from exploring this potentially life-changing benefit. Reach out to a VSO, gather your evidence, and let's get you the financial justice you deserve. It's never too late to fight for what's right, and those retroactive payments could be just the break you need. Chapter 3. Educational Grants and Housing Assistance. Building your future brick by brick. Alright everyone, let's shift gears now and talk about building a brighter future, because serving your country shouldn't mean putting your dreams on hold. The VA offers a treasure trove of educational grants and housing assistance programs specifically designed to help veterans thrive in civilian life. We're talking about opportunities to further your education, pursue your passions, and secure a safe and affordable place to call home. It's all about empowering veterans to build the future they deserve, brick by brick. First up, let's talk education. The GI Bill is a legendary benefit that's been helping veterans pursue higher education for generations. But here's the thing, it's not just for four-year degrees anymore. The GI Bill has evolved to cover a wide range of educational paths, from vocational training and apprenticeships to online courses and graduate programs. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a welder, a chef, a nurse, or a software developer, there's a good chance the GI Bill can help you get there. And the best part? You earned these benefits through your service, so you don't have to worry about taking on mountains of student loan debt. It's like having a scholarship waiting for you, ready to unlock your full potential. But wait, there's more. In addition to the GI Bill, the VA also offers a variety of other educational grants and scholarships specifically for veterans, their spouses, and their dependents. We're talking about programs like the Vocational Rehabilitation and Employment Program, which provides personalized support for veterans with service-connected disabilities who are looking to start a new career or advance in their current field. And let's not forget about housing. Finding a safe, affordable place to live is essential for anyone, but it can be especially challenging for veterans transitioning back to civilian life. That's why the VA offers a range of housing assistance programs, including VA loans, which offer competitive interest rates and flexible terms to help veterans achieve their dream of homeownership. But it doesn't stop there. The VA also partners with organizations across the country to provide transitional housing for homeless veterans, rental assistance programs, and support services to help veterans maintain stable housing. They understand that a stable home environment is the foundation for a successful life, and they're committed to making sure veterans have access to the resources they need to thrive. Navigating the world of educational grants and housing assistance can feel overwhelming, but remember those incredible veteran service officers? They're like walking encyclopedias of VA benefits and can help you identify the programs you qualify for and guide you through the application process. Don't let these incredible opportunities pass you by. Whether you're dreaming of finishing your degree, learning a new trade, or finally owning your own home, the VA has programs in place to support your journey. Take that first step, reach out to a VSO, and start building the brighter future you deserve. You've served your country with courage and dedication, and now it's time to invest in yourself and your dreams. That's it for today's video, and I hope this information helps you or someone you know take advantage of these incredible benefits. Remember, these benefits are your right, not a handout. You've earned them through your service and sacrifice. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more empowering content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We post helpful content like this every week. Most importantly, share this video with any veteran you know. Let's spread the word and make sure every hero out there gets the support they deserve. And hey, if you have any questions, success stories, or just want to say hello, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you.